angle between two vectors in terms of their direction ratios. Let A vector and B vector are two vectors whose direction ratio are proportional to A1, B1, C1 and A2, B2, C2 respectively. Let capital A vector is a vector along A vector, means a vector along A vector is given by A1 I cap plus B1 j cap plus C1 k cap, and capital B vector is a vector along B vector, means a vector along B vector given by A2 I cap plus B2 j cap plus C2 k cap, and the angle between A vector and B vector, let theta be the angle between A vector and B vector, then theta will between capital A vector and capital B vector, then cos theta equal A vector dot B vector by mod A mod B by the scalar dot product. Then A dot B, value of A vector is A1 I cap plus B1 j cap plus C1 k cap, dot value of B vector is A2 I cap plus B2 j cap C2 k cap, upon magnitude of A vector is square root A1 square, B1 square, C1 square, A2 square, B2 square, C2 square. Then cos theta equal dot product of two vectors is A1 A2, B1 B2, C1 C2, because I dot I is 1, I dot j, I dot k is 1, I dot j, I dot k is 0. Similarly j dot j is 1, j dot I, j dot k is 0, upon A1 square, B1 square, C1 square, square root A2 square, B2 square, C2 square. This is the formula for finding the angle between two vectors in terms of their direction ratio. Case 1. If these vectors are perpendicular, then capital A vector is also perpendicular to capital B vector, means A vector dot B vector equal 0. Dot product of two vectors is 0 if these vectors are perpendicular. It means A1 I cap plus B1 j cap plus C1 k cap dot A2 I cap plus B2 j cap plus C2 k cap equal 0 gives a1 a2 b1 b2 c1 c2 equal 0. This is the relation between direction ratio of two perpendicular vectors. Again case 2, if these vectors are parallel, if a vector is parallel to b vector, then capital A vector is also parallel to capital B vector, gives A vector equal lambda B vector or B vector equal lambda A vector. Then A1 I cap plus B1 J cap plus C1 K cap equal lambda A2 I cap plus B2 J cap plus C2 K cap. On comparing the coefficient of I, J, K, we get A1 equal lambda A2 implies A1 by A2 equal lambda, B1 equal lambda B2 implies B1 by B2 equal lambda, and C1 equal lambda C2 gives C1 by C2 equal lambda. Then from this relation A1 by A2 B1 by B2 C1 by C2, and this is the relation between two parallel vectors in terms of their direction ratio.